Hey there, CJ Math students, and welcome to Notes 10.8. This is kind of day 2 of graphing. So remember, we always start with the y-intercept. So in this case, in y equals mx plus b, our y-intercept is -3. So we say 0, -3. This number tells us where to start. So immediately we should go put a dot at 0, -3. Our slope is either +1 over +2 or -1 over -2. So our slope, we can move up +1 or right +2, and we can also move down -1 and left -2. So from this point, I'm going to start doing up 1 and right +2 until I run out of space. So up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. The axis counts as a line, so don't skip it. Right? And then I go back to my original point and I go down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. And then I take the ruler that's on my desk and I draw a nice fancy straight line all the way across. Right? Now, if I had messed up and I went down 1, right 2, I'd start getting a V. I must get a nice fancy straight line. Right? Number 2, the y-intercept, 0, -1. So this means we have to put a dot at 0, -1. That's where we're starting, always on the y-axis. Our slopes are either -5 over +2 or 5 over -2. Either way, this is a negative number. So I can move down -5 and right +2, or I can move up +5 and left -2. So let's start by trying to move down -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right 2, 1, 2, putting a dot there. Obviously I can't do that again, so then move up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and left 2, 1, 2. So there are my 2 possible points. Otherwise I run out of space, and again I take my ruler and I draw a nice straight line. Right? Hopefully a little bit better than mine. Number 3. If the y-intercept is not there, that means our y-intercept is 0, 0. So that means we start this time at 0, 0. Our slope is -1 over 2 or 1 over -2, meaning I move down -1 and right +2, or up +1 and left -2. Right? So let's start by moving down -1 and right 2. Down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 2. Notice how every single time I'm ending up on a coordinate, right? The place where vertical and horizontal lines cross. Down 1, right 2. This end does also count, okay? So we then go back to your original y-intercept and go up 1 and left 2. Up 1, left 2. Up 1, left 2. So we have all these beautiful points to connect a nice straight line with. And there's our equation. Again, no y-intercept means we start at 0, 0. Every other time, a number will tell us exactly where to start. This is a negative sloping graph. I have a negative slope, therefore I'm right. If it was going the opposite way, like if I had drawn it like this, I know I'd be wrong because that's a positive sloping graph and I have a negative slope. The equation is always right. It tells me how to graph. This time I have no x, so therefore if I have no x, my slope is 0 over 1 or 0 over -1, meaning I will move up or down 0 times and right 1, or up or down 0 times and left 1. The y-intercept is plainly right there, right? It's 0, -2. So I start at -2. And again, how do I move? I move up 0, right 1, or down 0, left -1, right? So, up or down 0, right 1. Up or down 0, right 1. Up or down 0, right 1. Right? When we just have y equals with no x value, up or down 0, left 1. Up or down 0, we get a horizontal zero sloping line. And look, we said our slope was 0, right? So it makes sense that we should have a 0 sloping line. Okay, again, y equals is just a 0 slope line. That is the end of part 1.